Lift the vehicle in 4 jack stand, remove the 4-wheel, and get ready to start from the rear caliper. After removing the 2 pins, the spring plate, the security bolt, and the 2 pads, proceed to install the sensor into the new pad and the new pad into the rear caliper. After installing the 2 pads, proceed to reassemble the spring plates with the 2 pins, security bolt, into the rear caliper. Now from caliper, remove the pins with hammer and punch, the spring plate and security bolt, and the 2 pads. The 6 pistons from the front caliper needs to be pressed in order to install the 2 new pads. Then reinstall security bolt. With ratchet, tie bolts to spec. Reinstall the spring plate and 2 pins and connect the sensor. Reinstall the 4 tires. Lower the vehicle, test it, and happy ranging.